Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to show you how is the Flipkart exchange process going on, because this is a question which I'm getting from plenty of subscribers asking me to upload the live video when the exchange is going on in the Flipkart because they are having some kind of doubts. So that's the reason I thought of recording right now. And right now I'm giving the Realme 6 Pro for the Realme GT Master Edition device. Yes, so I'm going to do this kind of completely in the live exchange process, so you will be able to get no clear idea what is going on as well. And my Realme 6 Pro is in very good condition, very good condition. There is no marks, there is no scratches, there is no dents at all. So let's see what's going to happen in this kind of Flipkart exchange process, and I'll try to do the unboxing videos and everything later on, so make sure to stay tuned for more information as well. So right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to exchange the Realme 6 Pro for the Realme GT Mastered Edition. So here's the Realme 6 Pro which I'm trying to exchange, and the phone is in very good condition. So very good condition friends, there's no scratches, there's no marks at all. And finally he's my delivery person has come here, and he's very good, always with me, so that I don't have any kind of issues. So even I did do previously a lot of exchange phones as well, and I never had any kind of issues with the delivery person. That's another thing which I thought of mentioning. And right now I think he's checking exactly the EMI number, whether it's matching to them or not. And that's kind of one thing, because a lot of users that it message that their EMI number is not matching with what the EMI number they got, the delivery person. That's the thing. But for me, I don't have any kind of issues here at this point. And he's verifying all the details in the phone. And he was really shocked by the offer I got on this Realme 6 Pro, because right now we do have the 6,000 extra off right on this mobile phones in the exchange offer. So that's the reason I did mention to him that I was selling it for about 14,680, and he's really shocked. So this old phone went for that kind of price. And you can use my links in the description from the Amazon to buy any kind of products. But let's see, again, I think he's taking a lot of photos, so front and sides. So my complete experience was really smooth, and as you can see friends, he's really shocked by the price of this phone I got. And he's also planning for the exchange, so I did advise him later on after the video, but still you can see the process. And if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So after this video, I'll definitely do the unboxing review as well on the Realme GT Master Edition. So make sure to stay tuned for those information in case if you are interested. And make sure to look at our playlists which are created for each and every smartphone. The playlist will give you the clear idea which each and every device what is going on. And all the photos are taken and successfully finished. Hopefully, yes. So as soon as he kept the phone in the pocket, that means it's 100% done. So that's the moment I'm waiting. So every time I do know, as soon as he keeps in the pockets, that's a kind of confirmation. I'll get the signal. So right now I need to mention the OTP number as well, so which to get this phone. So that's what I'm trying to do, to get the OTP number. This is a Flipkart exchange process only friends, and finally I got my Realme GT Master Edition, and now I'm letting him know the OTP number so I can take my order back. So these are all smooth and very pleasant experience. I don't have any kind of issues. And finally I got my Realme GT Master Edition with me, as you can see here. Finally it's big time. So Realme GT Master Edition in my home. So I'll definitely do a lot of reviews friends on this phone. So stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Bye.